Hello everyone. A lot of you asking about how do I create my baby list, my website, and push all you need for a baby, and it will take you to baby list. Here you will fill out the basic information and create your account to get you started. I'm showing you demo here, and it's optional. You don't have to put anything about baby if you don't like it. All information is basic and optional. You can choose to do it or not. I did it. I created an account and then I download their app. This question will take you inside of the app. You can download it. You can actually browse and add item to other stores from other stores too. And in the end, they will give you a free baby care box, and it's so full of goodies. Complete all the list and you will get a goodie bag in the end. It will ship to you. Simply go to these stores and add any item for the babies you want to buy. I click on these random things. I don't have to buy it, but I just added. This is really important to get you goodie bags. This is the starter of the goodie bags, and I will let you know step by step what other things to do to get free samples. In the end, it will ask you to create a registry to get the goodie bag, and after it you will receive the full goodie bag. The website link is in my description. Thanks.